It is just busted. That's non-functional. So we're going to replace that. To do that, we're going to need to remove this shifter and separate these two parts. And I went down to the hardware store and I picked up a couple of 6mm bolts and some nuts. And what we're going to do is we're going to run those in and then tighten the nuts to pull these springs out. These are springs right here. So I'm going to pull those out and then we'll be able to pull that apart. So you need two 6mm bolts. We have those, the nuts, and then some kind of a washer. I didn't have any that wouldn't necessarily fit, so I used a nut that I had. Fits a little bit better. And we'll just screw them right into the spring. There's two springs on the inside of this. That's what we're screwing into. Do the same thing on the other side. And you screw right into the spring. And then we're going to use this nut to tighten it up. And it's going to pull the spring this way. Sounds weird, but should work. This is the first time I've ever done this, but I saw it done once. I can feel it. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Beautiful. So now we've got our shifter off. And it was explained to me that it's very important to remember exactly how this come apart. So that in mind, I'm going to go back and rewatch what I just videoed and make sure that I just line this up correctly, and I'm going to put a mark on both of these. Should have done that before I pulled it apart. So I'm glad I did double check the video because I did put it on. Turned one side wrong. So I want to go ahead and try and mark it somehow. So I can take it apart, put it back together, hopefully. Now I've got it cleaned up. We'll see if we can't get this to go on there. I think I'll put just a little bit of 70-40 on there. Just see if it'll help go on. Not too bad. Yeah, that should help keep dirt and debris from getting in there. Now we can install our brand new shifter boot, the middle one. If you need one, link in the description. This should reduce noise, exhaust fumes, everything. Heat,